Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I do my DTF prints. This is on the Sportex shirt, which is a little bit different. It's not 100% cotton. It's more kind of a polyester micro, I think it's called micro tech. A lot of construction workers and stuff like this, especially outside when they're sweating, it kind of keeps them a little cooler. So this is what I'm doing for them today. So I'm going to show you how I do these and let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the front logo first, just so you get an idea of how this works. Because this is a Microtech film shirt, it's not as high, my temperature isn't as high as a cotton shirt. It's, you know, it's a little bit lower, so I usually do mine around 290 for about 20 seconds each, and that seems to work pretty good. So I'm just going to press that to get the wrinkles out. And here you go. So there we go. And what I'm going to do here is this. This is the one that's going to go on the corner. So it's going to come down a little bit onto this shirt. So from here, you want to go from the top of the neckline and the shoulder line down about 7 inches, and you want to center that logo right there. So if you're not really sure where your logo goes, that's the best thing to do, is just come down 7 inches, make sure it's centered on there. It looks pretty good. It looks like it's gonna fit there. Okay, put this back on, down for 20 seconds. And so that's the big thing with these kind of the polyester shirts, is the not as high of a temperature, but just do it a little bit longer than you would on the cotton shirts, and that seems to work pretty good. And then you don't have to worry about them pulling and stuff after. So this is a cold peel, so I'm not going to peel the paper off or the film off yet. I'm going to go ahead and do the back. Now, if you have a bunch, you can set it up so it goes a little bit faster. To try to make sure that's centered on there. You know, and then I usually do like front and then back and then front and back if I have a lot of them. But for this video, I want to kind of show you how to do this one. So for the back part, what you're going to do is you're going to come down about 4 inches from the middle. So I always like to kind of do the middle here. Probably help if I turn my tape measure over. So I usually come down about 4 inches from the neckline. Now, you can do 2 to 3 inches too, but because this is a bigger size, I like to come down just a little bit further. So I usually come down to 4 on here, on this size. There again, I want to make sure it's centered on the back here. Looks good. Looks like it's all straight. I'll put my little cover back on here. Go down for 20 seconds. So, you know, it's a really simple process. I really like the DTF. When I was trying to look for transfers, I was thinking about screen printing, but screen printing is kind of limited, and then you have to charge per color. And so I wasn't really excited about that. And then I was going to have to kind of have a whole new shop just for that. So I decided not to go with that option. And so I decided to do the DTF option, which is a lot better. So now that this is cooled off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel it. It's peeled off great. And I'm going to do one more press on here. Like I said, this just has to be a little bit longer press on here. About 20 seconds. Again, double time, less temperature. That's the one thing you need to remember with these types of shirts. But like I said, it just made way more sense. And then I could have done a DTF direct transfer to like on the garment, but that just wasn't going to work either. So there again, the back came off. So we're going to go ahead and press the back one more time just to make sure it's nice and in the material really good. for 20 seconds. And we're just gonna wait for this to kind of wrap up for 1 second. But I mean, there was a lot of options, but for me, the DTF seemed to make way more sense because I could do any color on any type of shirt. I could do it on black, I could do it on white, I could do it on gray, I could do it blue, pink, whatever. So the DTF made a lot more sense to me, so that's the reason I went with this option. So just want to kind of show you. So there's the back. See, it turned out really good. And then here's the front. So that's how you do the DTF. Let me know if you're interested. I'll be more than happy to help you. Now, remember, creativity is intelligence having fun. So go create something today. Bye.